Get your booty off that bed, bro. Get off that bed and go execute. Figure out whatever you need to figure out and execute. No matter how you feel, bro. Execute. 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 Because at the end of the day, nobody coming to save you. Nobody coming to hold your hand. And nobody don't care. Nobody don't care about your feelings, bro. At the end of the day. But at the same time, acknowledge your feelings. But do not act on your feelings. Okay? Get your booty off that bed and execute. Execute, figure out and execute. Do not overthink it. Just execute. Execute, 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 execute. All right, man. Sometimes you have to really take a good look of how much work you had to put in just for you to get here today. Before you even think about giving up, you have to take a good look at how much work you put in towards this one thing in your life. The show must goes on, bro. You must need to aim for the long range. Keep aiming for the long range from here, bro. Cause that life that you destined for, nobody's not gonna give you that life. And that's just the truth, bro. Nobody's not be very delusional like you are, bro. Very self-driven like you are. You have to take a good look at how much work you put into this one thing, bro, before you even giving up. That's exactly what I did just now, bro. I upload almost 8,000 videos since last year. I'm a new content creator, by the way. Again, I'm a new content creator. I started last year in January. Around January, I started making YouTube videos, bro. And I post almost 8,000 videos. Nobody in this universe can even do that, bro. And at the age of 21 years old, alone, solo, I had no group, nobody behind me helping me, nothing. That was me. That was me alone, bro. At the age of 21 years old, I upload up to now, like right now in this moment, 8,000 videos on YouTube. I'm a new content creator since last year in January. So, like I said, bro, you have to take a good look back to the work, how much work you put in before, bro, up to now. You can't give up, bro. It was so much work that was being done from me to get to where you at, bro. You have to keep aiming long range because you won't get what you want. It's enough to go around for everybody. For the folks that's locked in, building something, a foundation in their life, y'all going to win. I'm going to win. You're going to win. But for all of us, for everybody that's going to win, y'all going to have to stay locked in, bro, and keep your head down and stay down, bro. And keep putting the work in every single day to make it in this life. It's very much possible. I believe it. I believe in me. I believe in you.